Guys, my name is Satyendra Punya and I'm your anchor, I'm your host, and as you can see that I'm just trying that my audience can be fluent because yes, English speaking skill is very important. You know what? A few time ago when I visited to Gujarat, I have seen a few 20 and 25 kids, okay? They are earning a good money, they are doing a very some kind of work, but they are still stucking in English and they are like in a trouble, okay? And I'm just seeing this situation is very clearly in the next 4 or 5 years that why English speaking skill it's very necessary, it's very important to speaking because in India this becomes a global language. You can't survive out of your village. Out of your village you can't survive if you can't able to speak a good English. Okay? I mean in a house and relatives what they are. Look guys, just leave them all. Leave them all the from. Just make friends. Make friends that you can blind them trust. Make them friend that your life journey is gonna be easy. I mean just make a friends. I mean at least make a 4 or 5 friends at least. At least make 4 or 5 friends. If you have only one friend, I mean who are girl, I mean you can really understand the whole psychology of girl. I really don't think so where this magic come from. I really don't think so. I mean I really don't know where this magic come from. I mean life going to be very easy. You understand yourself. I mean you will find yourself. If you have a good friend circle, then you really will find yourself. Otherwise, you always gonna stuck in their loop. Go to their relative, and their relative don't care about it. Okay. Look, this is understand just as much as soon. No one want that you just become a man. Okay. No one. Please understand this. No one want to look. When I was child, we have only one black and white TV. Look, reality is exactly was like this today and that time, exactly like that. But I have seen that all these my relative they never watched me TV. I mean, this is, I'm talking about 20-25 years ago. Okay? Because they understood very clearly if children will see this kind of cinema, this kind of movie, they will become a man. They will become a man. So, and also I have seen a lot of toxic thing. You can't even imagine. Look, I'm telling you why you have a friend because you friend you will decide. And look, also I'm giving you a very harsh reality. I mean it's very harsh reality. You think this is your mother, this is your sister, this is all your relatives. I'm giving you a very reality check. They live in illusion. Okay? They live in illusion. Whole life they live in illusion. Okay? This is a very harsh reality, but you really should accept it. If you have a friend, then you're gonna see them clearly that what is the reality is. All your relatives, all your housemaid, anything, your mother, sister, relatives, all are, they live in an illusion. Okay? And you know very well, women illusion, women. Okay? So just make a friends as much as you can and just leave them all their relatives. Look, why is yes, I can say that America and China GDP are so blindly are moving forward. They are living in a what kind of era, okay? But yes, only and yes, I know this is a fact also true that all the NRI VIP, VVIP person go to abroad. First they do some kind of driving, petrol pump, worker job, car washer, and suddenly growing they become rich. Yes, they become rich there, but first of all you have to accept it. They now foreign don't want that India comes. Now foreign, just because we really should accept ourselves. This is the land of Swami Vivekananda, this is the land of Gautam Buddha, this is the land of Mahatma Gandhi, and this is the land of all the our legend like yes, our revolutionary like Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, and all the revolutionary over 1 lakh revolutionary. Yes, we are a country of legend, but we have really have to should adopt ourselves. We really have to should accept ourselves. In LKG, you will go to you want that your child get a good education, and you took them in a LKG and UKG. They will charge 50,000, 60,000. I'm telling you, in 50,000, 60,000, if you just do a 1 month SIP, okay, when that child will turn to in 18, he will get a 3 or 4, 5 crore. And and what you are studying, you just give them for the 12th 15 and 16 lakh, and you learn what you learn, nothing, shit, garbage. Because I'm telling you this thing. No one want to become human. Okay? So this is, I'm telling you, just understand this psychology and all these things as much as possible, and just learn business, learn investment, real estate, all the property dealer. I mean, if you are just 15, I mean, if you just have a no option, I mean, look, today, look, I'm giving you a very real teacher. In 2026, everyone has a smartphone, okay? Everyone has a data. Even a beggar has a good smartphone and internet, okay? Everyone, so you have all this kind of thing, and now you are thinking that how you gonna learn? You have an internet, you have a data, and now you are just thinking that how you gonna learn? Watch movies, watch all the content. Many content creators are growing each and every day, and yes, people are doing content creation are smart one. They wanna survive. They will grow. So again, I'm telling you, leave all this stuff. Look, it's not a necessary. Look, I'm telling you what kind of relation you have. I mean, what kind of your relatives and all these are. Look, you go to that marriage, and then he will check that, oh, he came to my marriage. Now I will go to their marriage. This is the love. This is the behavior system. Oh, he gave 100 rupees to my marriage. He will took exactly 100 rupees. Just behavior. And look what you get in this behavior. Your time is wasting. Your life is wasting. Okay? Your time, your life, just, I mean, look, I visited Mumbai 3 or 4 times, but I really understood that what is the value of time. I mean, I really telling you what is the value of time. Now I understood who are living in Mumbai in a skyscraper, bungalow, 4 BHK flat, who live, what kind of people living they there. Now I understood very clearly. What kind of person? Look, they are exactly like you. 70% from village, small town, all these Jhopadpatti slum area, 70%. 70% I'm telling you, 70%. Because that's why they're not delusional about to see money, women, girls. They're not delusional. They don't get affected because they have seen that what kind of time they have seen their life, what kind of phase they are seeing their life. Because that's why they don't delusional. Otherwise, you just visit the Mumbai, Delhi, I mean all the Bangalore, Kerala. Just go to one day in a whole skyscraper. You will be, I mean, shocked as much as you possible if you are not mature enough to understand these things. You will, I mean, you will shock. Okay. So yes, today's topic that if you have to leave all other things and just make a big good look. My friends is 14 years, 13 years old, and some friends are 20 years old, but they live in Jaipur. Okay, but whatever they are just. But I'm just giving you a real teacher. If you really want to fulfill your dream and live like a good life, at least live like a good life. Okay. So yes, take your life in your own hand. Don't care about world, and just please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.